Hello there. Today's video is neither HTML nor CSS. So I've got this page. It's got an unordered list inside of a div, two unordered lists inside of another div, three unordered lists inside of a third div. Here's the HTML and CSS. The reason why it's neither HTML or CSS is because it's going to be on something called a pseudo element. So an element is what an HTML tag is. And pseudo means fake. So we're going to be doing some fake HTML tags with this video. But it's going to look a lot like CSS, so it should look kind of familiar. You can do an li and do a background of, say, dark goldenrod. Oh, if I can spell. There we go. We'll save that. Refresh. There we go. That's apparently dark goldenrod. But we're going to do a pseudo element, and that pseudo element will be first. Oh, sorry, nth child. Forgot which one I was doing. Nth child, and then that's going to have parentheses. So we'll do first, and that will do the first item in each list. You can do this with any tag. Whatever you want to do. You can do the number 2, that'll do the second item. The number 3, that'll do the third item. You can do number 4, that'll do the fourth item. And so on and so forth. You can also do nth last child, and since I've got the 1 selected, it'll select the last one. If I put the 2 in there, it'll do second from the end, third from the end, so on and so forth. You can get a little complex. You can do even. It'll do the even ones. The odd. It'll do all the odd ones. And it's not based on the numbers. It's just doing every other one. You can get a little complex with 2n plus 1. Same thing, because it'll do all the even numbers plus 1. That's what that equates to. Let's do a 3n plus 1. So 0 times 3 equals 0. Well, actually, should be 3n minus 1 is what I should be seeing there. That's interesting. Well, when you get these complex things, they get a little weird. At that point, you probably want to do like some CSS or some sort of some classes or some IDs. Let's do nth child that way, because I think nth child works better. Maybe it's a Firefox thing. 2n, 3n minus 1. So we save that. See, it doesn't like that. It changes colors. But that works because 3 minus 1 is 2, and then 6 minus 1 is 5. So that may not work so well in all of your browsers. You can do 3. Let's do 3n plus 1. There we go. So that did 4, because that's 3 plus 1, and 0 plus 1 is 1. But you can do crazy stuff like that. I would stick with more of the even or odd rather than getting too many mathematical formulas in there. But that is nth child and nth last child, and you can do it on just about any HTML element, but it's not an HTML element, it's an HTML pseudo element. So there you go, and hopefully you get to use this because it's a cool tag, cool pseudo element, and thank you for watching.
If you've enjoyed the experience of this tutorial, why not share it with your friends?